Once upon a time, in a bright and sunny meadow filled with vibrant flowers dancing in the breeze, lived a small bumblebee named Benny. Benny was not your ordinary bumblebee. He had a heart full of courage and a cheerful smile that could light up even the gloomiest of days. With his tiny wings buzzing, Benny flitted from flower to flower, gathering nectar, as he always did. But today was a special day. Benny carried with him a single glowing droplet of nectar, shimmering in the sunlight like a tiny star. Benny's mission was to deliver this precious droplet across the meadow and into the vast, dim forest beyond, where the queen bee needed it to concoct a magical potion to heal the ailing flowers. As Benny buzzed his way through the meadow, the towering flowers stood like gentle giants guiding him. "Go, Benny," they seemed to whisper as their petals swayed softly. Curious ladybugs watched from their leafy perches, wondering what important errand Benny was on. Dainty butterflies danced around him in colorful spirals, cheering him on with their bright wings. "You can do it, Benny," they hummed in unison. But far ahead, dark storm clouds gathered ominously above the forest, casting long shadows and a sense of foreboding. Benny knew the journey was going to be challenging, yet his tiny heart beat with an unwavering bravery. As Benny neared the edge of the meadow, the sky darkened and the first rumblings of thunder echoed ominously. The path into the forest was not easy. It was filled with swirling winds and raindrops as big as Benny himself. However, Benny's determination shone brighter than the stormy clouds. "I must get this droplet to the queen," he told himself, focusing on the soft glow of the nectar that seemed to guide him. Armed with courage, he pushed through the fierce winds, weaving skillfully between raindrops. The distant forest was tough, but Benny never gave up. The butterflies and ladybugs watched from the safety of the meadow, sending silent encouragement through every little flutter and shine. Through all the challenges, Benny finally reached the heart of the forest and found the queen bee awaiting on a grand dais made of the finest petals and leaves. Her regal figure was a beacon of calmness in the dark woods. "Benny, our brave little hero," she welcomed him, as Benny carefully handed over the glowing nectar. The queen mixed the nectar with her magical ingredients, and soon, a gentle golden light filled the forest, reviving the sick flowers and bringing life back to the trees. Benny felt proud and happy. His quest had been successful. Benny's brave adventure spread throughout the meadow like a sunlit ray of hope. His courageous heart showed that even the tiniest bee with the biggest mission could spark magic and healing in any world. And Benny, with his glow still shining, knew that no storm could ever stop a bumblebee on a brave adventure.